Hallo Leute, willkommen bei Lernen German with Happiness. Heute lernen wir Zahlen auf Deutsch. Zahlen auf Deutsch. Das bedeutet Numbers auf English. Numbers auf English. Hello beautiful people. My name is Happiness and you're welcome to Learn German with Happiness. Today we'll be learning the German numbers from 0 to 20. 0 to 20. So let's get started with the video. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. So we've learned numbers from 0 to 10. So let's repeat. Let's try and pronounce. Then we'll continue from 11 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I want to look at 11 to 20. How do we pronounce 11 to 20 in German language? 11, F, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we have looked at numbers from 0 to 20 in German, and we've also learned how to pronounce them. Let's practice the numbers. So for improvement as a beginner, you have to learn the numbers as well. And for you to be a beginner is practice. Practice makes perfect. Obong macht den Meister. So thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for your friends and families. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Tschüss.